gang, you know the rules. No humping, no pushing, no sniffing heinies.
Where have you been? My dogs were supposed to be here 40 minutes ago. Now I hardly have any time to primp them.
Don't worry about a thing, Mrs. Noogie Burger.
Born.
Born. These pooches are not going to need any primping. You know why? I'll tell you why. Because I bathed them and I clipped them myself. And I stand by my performance.
Boom, shakala, good boy.
You know, on second thought, you might just want to run a comb through them.